we will make the clones of these shapes. So create a structure, make the changes there. We will try to make another design. Explore the option here. Also add a design. We will take a structure there. So we have to use another shape. There is another design. Keep on editing. Generate the structure there. Let's make the changes. I will have that design. Add another structure there.